Hi, before I get started, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you. In this video, I will show you how to make interesting and useful things for you and your child literally from garbage or firewood. You can always find a piece of any tree branch and saw it into small pancakes, which you and I will use. You will also need a few thin branches. Saw these branches into the size we need. It's just about by eye. Don't worry too much about the size. And be sure to sand down all the sharp edges and edges. It's important. It's a natural material, and that's the whole point. Now we need to drill all of our wood pancakes. For this, I use a 22mm Forstner drill bit. We get a set of pancakes on the branches like this. Now let's assemble our construction. For this, I drill a landing hole with a feather drill and then drill a small drill for a self-tapping screw. We assemble it all on glue to better hold. And we get such a wonderful street toy for your baby. Interesting counting or sorter, whatever you want to call it. But my little son loved it. And the next version, we have the simplest possible. We take again pancake spiles. We grind them, and then we drill them again. But we drill from the side, and with a small drill bit, just enough to get the rope through the hole. I used a thin fishing line from a garden trimmer to hold it together. We assemble our handiwork and get an interesting stand for hot food, or an unusual anti-stress. Thank you very much for viewing. I wish you good luck. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.